So, good day, ma'am. I'm Nelson Junior Malyari, and I'm going to explain the SPTB2, which is the number system. So, the number system is a writing system for expressing numbers. So, mathematical notation siya na gumagamit ng mga digits or any other symbols na consistently nag-represent na numbers sa mga specific set. So, yung digit, yung position niya sa number, tapos yung base of the number system can all be used to determine any digits value. So, yung numbers is inaalaw niya tayo to perform arithmetic operations like additions, subtraction, and division, and are represented in a unique way. So, throughout history, numerous number systems have been produced by diverse civilizations and mathematical traditions. So, the most common number system used today are the decimal system, which is yung base 10, then binary system na naka-base 2, octal system na naka-base 8, and lastly, the hexadecimal system na naka-base 16. So, bali ito yung types of number system. So, ito nga yung decimal numbers na naka-base sa 10, binary numbers naka-base sa 2, octal numbers naka-base sa 8, and then hexadecimal numbers is naka-base sa 16. So, yung table niya is yung system is binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal. Ito yung base nila, and then yung digits na nagagamit nila naka-base doon sa base ng system nila. So, kunyari kung binary ka is naka-base ka sa 2, so yung pwede mong gamitin na digits is 0 and 1. So, kung decimal ka naman is naka-base ka sa 10, so yung pwede mong magamit is 0 to 9. So, kung octal ka, base 8, yung pwede mong magamit is 0 to 7. So, pagka hexadecimal, naka-base 16, so yung pwede mong magamit is 0 to 9 and A to F. So, 0 to 9 is a number, and then yung A to F is alphabetical. So, meaning, pagka nag-A na, ibig sabihin, siya yung number 10, tapos B, 11, C, 12, hanggang and so on and so forth, papuntang F. So, yung pinaka-F is yung 15. So, sa number tayo, yung pwede niyang magamit na number ng binary is 1010. So, decimal is 10. Sa octal is 12. And then sa hexadecimal is A. So, explain natin sila isa-isa. So, sa decimal system, base 10, humans and most other cultures, ginagamit yung standard number system. So, numbers are represented by 10 digits, which is yung 0 to 9, and the value of each digit is determined in the powers of 10 based on its position. So, in actual life, we typically represent numbers using the decimal number system. So, any number represented without a base indicates that the base of that number is 10. So, sa binary system na naka-base sa 2, so, ito yung pinaka-modern or usually na ginagamit, lalo na sa mga modern computers and then computer-based devices. Kasi, yung compatibility niya with digital electronic circuitry, so it only makes use of the numbers 0 and 1. So, which is ginagamit niya siya sa computer dahil yung computer base natin is naka 0 and 1 lang. So, ginagamit natin siya. So, bits are the digits 0 and 1, and a byte is made up of 8 bits. So, computer data is stored in a binary bits. So, ito sabi ko kanina, which is ginagamit na computer yung binary. So, there are other numbers like 2, 3, 5, and so on that are not handled by the binary number system, which kasi nga naka-base lang siya sa 2. So, ang pwede niya lang gamitin is 0 and 1. So, punta tayo sa octal system, base 8. So, less commonly used today, the octal system uses 8 digits 0 to 7. So, bali dito mo pwedeng gamitin tong 2, 3, 5 since 0 to 7 to. So, it was more prevalent in early computing. So, this system has the advantage of having fewer digits than numerous other system, which means that computational errors would be reduced. So, yung octal number system does not include digits 8 or 9. So, bakit 8 or 9? Kasi nga, nakabase lang siya sa 8 and nag-start yung counting sa 0. So, kung bibilangin mo siya from 0 to 7 is bibilang mo siya sa 8 numbers. So, many computers employ the octal number system which has digits 0 through 7, just like the binary system. So, doon tayo sa hexadecimal system, base 16. So, this system uses 16 digits including 0 to 9 and the letter A to F represent values 10 to 15, which is yung sinabi ko nga kanina na pagka lumagpas ka ng 10 is ang ilalagay mo na is letters from A to F. So, yung A10, B11, C12, D13, E14, and F15. So it is often used in computing and programming programming. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then, after pag nag-10 na is A, B, C, D, E, F. So, with a base of 16. So, here, yung A to F of the hexadecimal system means the numbers 10 to 15. So, of the decimal number system, respectively. So, computers use this method to shorten the binary system lengthy strings. So, that's it for the number system. So, thank you.